Hey guys. Most hair dryers are effective at blowing hot air toward your head, sometimes quite fast, in order to speed along your hair styling from showering to whatever's next. It's the small differences between models that can make a big difference overall, particularly with daily use. We've found some dryers that are far more pleasant to hold and use than others. In this video, ShoppExp picks 5 best hair dryers for 2022. We have also included these dryers' links in the description box for you. Now let's get started. The 5th best product is Skin Hair Dryer. The 4th best product is ShoppExp Hair Dryer. The 3rd best product is ShoppExp Hair Dryer. The second last best product is ShoppExp Hair Dryer. And the last best product is Revlon Hair Dryer. So guys, these are the 5 best hair dryers. You can buy any one for your use. Please like the video and let us know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more best videos. We will be back with another video. See you guys later.